Watch as we magically make text appear behind your subject, adding instant depth and a pro touch to your videos. First, open your Capcut project and import the video clip. Where you want to add this effect, make sure your main video is already on the primary track of your timeline. Select this clip, and then tap Copy at the bottom menu now. Tap Overlay, and then Add Overlay. This will place an exact duplicate of your main video clip on a track above it. Now, with that top overlay clip selected, scroll through the bottom menu options until you find Remove Background. Tap on it. Capcut will work its magic and automatically make the background of this top clip transparent, leaving only your subject. Great! Now you should see your subject from the overlay floating above your original video. Let's add our text. Tap on the Text tool in the main menu, choose Add Text, and type in whatever words you want to appear behind your subject. You can then adjust the font, color, and size to your liking. With your text created, it will appear on a new track above your overlay. Make sure your text layer is positioned so it plays when you want it to appear behind your subject now. Here's the key step to integrate it seamlessly. Select your main background video clip on the very bottom track. Tap Copy again, then go back to Overlay and tap Add Overlay. This new copy will be placed above the previous overlay, but below your subject overlay. Now select this new middle video layer, the second copy of your original clip. Go back to Remove Background and tap it again. This will remove the background from this second background clip, making it transparent and effectively hiding the original background for that section. And there you have it. Your text now appears seamlessly behind your subject, creating a fantastic layered effect. Play through your video to see the illusion in action. It's that simple to add a professional polish to your edits.